Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a St. Patrick's Day design. So you know, St. Patrick's Day is almost around the corner. It's on the 17th. So let's go ahead and create some cute little designs using the Madam Glam Pot of Gold collection. They drop 8 colors. I will link everything down below for that. And also I will be using this Maniology St. Patrick's Day stamping plate. So let's go ahead and let's get right into the video. So let's go ahead and paint the first nail, and it's gonna be this gold color. This color is so pretty. So we're gonna do a whole nail of this one. Okay, we're gonna cure that in the light. While that one cures, let's go ahead and get the next color. This one's gonna be the little white color in Blessings. So I think I want to do a solid green, and this one is a Little Secret. And then the last one is Shamrock Glow, which is a really pretty glitter. I kind of want to mix this one with 24 karat to see what it's giving. Kind of do like an ombre thing, ombre nail. It's gonna look cute. So I'm gonna do another layer of the white. The white has like very subtle. Am I seeing things? I swear I'm seeing like very subtle specks. It's a very subtle shimmer on here. All right, so I'm gonna try and pick up this stencil right here with a dark green polish. Stamping polish. We're going to put it on the lime green nails. So let's see if this works this time. They say third time's the charm, right? Let's see. Okay, I got something. Let's see. Ooh, that's so pretty. That is pretty. I messed a little bit on the side, but that's cool. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we got that one. Kind of want to do this big clover, like in the corner, like kind of off the corners, and then put Happy St. Patrick's Day in the middle. I kind of want to do that, so let's go ahead and give that a try. I kind of want to do it with a lighter green color. So kind of play off, I got this color right here. It's kind of like lime green, yellowish color. So let's go ahead and, you guys, I'm freestyling, okay? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally freestyling. But you know what? That's the beauty of nails, you know? There's no right or wrong way of doing things. So let's pick this clover up. I think I got it, most of it. So let's do go one. Instead of like rolling it, Maybe I need to pick it up. So let's see. Just stamp it down. Okay, maybe I got something. I can put it this way. Okay. I like that. Got a little bit of the green on there, but that's fine. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp it again with the lighter green. See what happens. So I think I get the gist of it. I think with the lighter colors like this, I need to just pick it up. Yeah, just pick it up like this. Just drop it down. That's pretty. So I like that. So that's the second nail. Then the next nail, you just have to have fun, okay? And make sure you use Adine 10 to get 10% off your order from Maniology. Now we have the gold nail. And I think this one, I think I want to put Happy St. Patrick's Day, which is this one right here, Happy St. Patrick's Day. I think I want to do that in black. Okay, I'm going to remove that. Remove this one, says Lucky Babe. Remove everything that we don't want. And this one's going to say Happy St. Patrick's Day. You can barely see it, but it's there. And then this nail right here, I'm going to finish the ombre. So let's go ahead and do some more gold. There was definitely not a thought out process for these nails. I just decided to play around in some stamping plates. Okay, do not mind the mess. Let's go ahead and put some top coat on these. I'm using the nail card mat. All right, you guys, there you have it. Look how pretty these are. These are so pretty. Super pretty.
Tantas cosas que quiero explorar contigo. Qué rico el bronceado marcado en tu ombligo. Me encontraste cuando más estaba perdido. Tengo motivos